Hi, everybody. It's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafty.
Hi, everyone. It's Katrina. Welcome to the weekly Wednesday Wallet Savers. So let's go to Temu. So here at Temu, they have a lot of deals going on right now. And here are some of those religious totes. And these are the kind of medium-sized ones. I had these last year and have some more that I will be selling. They come in a pack of 32. And the price for them is $6.82 for all 32 bags. These make beautiful gifts, especially when you're using the prayer cards and journals and things like that. Here we have the religious handkerchiefs, and these are handkerchiefs for the ladies for Mother's Day, and these have different Bible verses and quotes on them. You get 40 of them for $20.41, making these under $1 for each handkerchief. Very good price for bulk items. Okay, we also have the handkerchiefs, and this is what they look like when they're spread out. They're very pretty and make very, very lovely gifts to add to your baskets. And these are the paper baskets for Mother's Day. Now these I do have. I showed you these on my line. They come with the ribbon and with the bags. All right, and you can get this set. Here are our little washcloth towels that come in a small little bag. It is a 20-piece set for $10.62. You get 10 towels and 10 bags. So these are $1 and some change each. And here's some more of the Mother's Day bags. Get 6 of each design. And there are the specs. It's 18 count for $9.72, making these under $1 each. And these are very decorative, really pretty Mother's Day gift bags. And here are the oh so popular picks that some of you have picked up already. And for those of you who have not, these are called cake toppers. And these are the Mother's Day cake toppers. And you get 26 of them for $8.47. Nice additions to your flower arrangements as well as your baskets. Found these Mother's Day journals in Temu, little notebooks that come with the pens as well. There are 50 pieces. You get 25 books, 25 pens. They have Bible verses on the covers and the loose leaf paper inside that you can write your little notes on. Very vibrant colors on the front. These are very, very nice. For the 50 set you get, it is $39.90. Here is a 24 pack of Mother's Day cards. And I know some of you like to sell cards. If you get this 24 pack of cards, 12 cards, 12 envelopes that you can also sell on Mother's Day. And you can make a good profit on these because this 12 set is $5.53, making this an excellent buy. Here are the flower arrangement gift bags. These are the little purses that some of us used last year. And of course, Temu has them again this year, and they're offering them in a variety of colors. These make very, very nice flower arrangements or gift boxes. And they come in all of these colors. And the price on these, $8.69, and you get a pack of 10. Now here are one of the mom's heart crystals, and this is a very, very nice item. It is a good size to fill a Mother's Day basket with, and it is $4.87. This is not a bulk item. You will get one, but it is only $4.87, which is a good buy, considering how much room these take up in your baskets. And if priced correctly, you'll make that back tenfold. Here are the floral scented bath soaps. So each of those little flowers is a soap, and it comes in a variety of different colors. And they are very pretty. The price on these is $3.82 per box. Here is a lighted crystal heart that says Mom. It comes with the light as well as the heart. And is $6.81. I'm sorry, $5.61. And that is a good price for the set. And here are some more of the soaps. These have 4 soaps in them each. And they also come in a variety of colors. So these boxes are a little bit smaller than the other ones because they have less in it. The flowers in these are just a little bit bigger though. All right, and this is soap flowers yet again. These are $1.84. So if you're looking to put some scented soap flowers in your gift concept, this is a great buy. Now we have some jewelry here for Mom. This is our watch and jewelry set, and that is a set. It comes with the watch and the jewelry. And it is $3.38 for the set. Multiples of these will not break the bank. It is a 5-piece set, and the watch is a quartz watch. All right, and here's our infamous rose bears, and these bears are on sale right now. Now remember, the closer we get to the holiday, those prices tend to go up. All right, and this is the 12-inch bear. And he is $2.85 right now, and they are all the colors that they come in. Here are some more rose bears. These are darker and different colors, and they are very pretty as well. These are the 5.9-inch by 9. All right, and these are $2.59 each. They are just a little bit smaller than the other ones. And then here's some more jewelry sets for mom. The box in this is not included, but you do get the entire jewelry set there. This is a very pretty set. Again, this is a quartz watch. And it is $3.48 for the entire set. It is a 6-piece set. So these are the buys going on at Temu right now. I hope this helps you get to scrolling and get the items that you need. Now's the time to order. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be
Hi,
blessed,
everybody. It's
but most
Katrina.
importantly, be a blessing.